This little screwdriver is powered by two AAA batteries, which I think is pretty stupid, so I'm going to go ahead and convert this to an 18650 powered screwdriver instead. First, we're going to cut away the tube that holds the two AAA batteries. In order to hold the new cell, I went ahead and designed this 3D printable cell holder thing. We have a cavity right here for the cell itself, and then a sheath that goes over this to protect the cell in case the screwdriver falls down, as well as a hollow point where the screwdriver will slot into, and two holes to run wires through. I have a 3D printer at home, but I'm going to be sending these files off to PCBWAY so that they can be printed in a stronger material than what I have on hand. Now we can get the 18650 cell holder ready by heat pressing some battery contacts into place using my soldering iron. With those in place, we can now solder wires to the terminals and run them through the tube. Those wires can now be soldered directly to the circuit board. With everything in place, we can now go ahead and screw it back together. I'm going to use a lot of JB weld to hold the tube to the screwdriver head. Now we can load up a protected 18650 cell into the holder and test it out.
No problem there.
This video is brought to you by PCBWAY. Thanks for their support, I'm able to repair all the stuff that you guys send in for free, as well as make fun projects like this. For those who don't know, PCBWAY is a PCB manufacturer who also specializes in CNC machining and 3D printing, which is where I got the components for this project. Check them out through my link tree. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.